Salted egg yolk chicken wings, crispy on the outside, savory and sandy all over. Cut the chicken wings in half. Add ginger, green onions, rice wine, pepper, salt, light soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Coat the wings in starch. Heat some oil in a pan and fry over medium-low heat until golden and crispy on both sides. Leave a little oil in the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of salted egg yolk sauce and cook on low until it bubbles. Toss the wings back in, coat them evenly, and they're ready to serve. Crispy, sandy and juicy, so tasty. Make this typhoon shelter shrimp. It's super easy and so delicious. Grab some fresh white shrimp, remove the heads, clean out the veins, then butterfly the backs. Toss them with ginger, black pepper, and a little salt. Mix well and let it marinate for about 10 minutes. Then add some cornstarch and coat each shrimp lightly. Heat up some oil in a wok. Add the shrimp and fry over medium heat until they're golden and crispy. Add this Hong Kong-style typhoon shelter mix, then toss in some green onions, give it a good stir, and it's ready to serve. You're gonna love it. Easy oyster recipe, absolutely delicious. Stir-fry green onions and garlic until fragrant. Layer in onion, enoki and soaked glass noodles. Spread garlic sauce, top with oysters, then another layer of sauce. Add a tablespoon of light soy sauce, add a splash of water, cover and simmer for 4 minutes, sprinkle with green onions, and it's ready. Bursting with umami, simply amazing. Pan fry one toast until crispy. Take it out, melt butter, crack an egg, cover with another toast. Cook until egg sets. Flip for 20 seconds. Add cheese, tomato, lettuce, honey mustard. Top with crispy toast. Easy, healthy, and so delicious. Perfect quick breakfast. Combine black tea, sugar, and hot water. Stir well. Bake in the air fryer at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Add milk, then bake for another 10 minutes. Thick golden milk skin. Super fragrant, fresh tea flavor, rich creamy taste, so warm and so satisfying. Air fryer blueberry yam dessert. Add water to the air fryer. Place whole unpeeled yams and half a cup blueberries. 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Add sugar and a little vinegar to blueberries. 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes to make sauce. Flip yams. Bake for 15 minutes until tender. Peel yams. Add some milk. Mash until smooth. Top with homemade tangy sweet blueberry sauce. Creamy, healthy, and so simple. Give it a go.